Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies currently, but we do have some clouds coming in from the west. Also, continue to see windy conditions this morning. Seeing a wind advisory remaining in effect this morning as of the current time. Should see those winds start to pick up here once this cold front does move through the region. And taking a look at the radar imagery this morning and how that cold front is approaching the area, you can see we do have some light reflectivity off to our north and to our west. This is going to move through the area the next few hours and giving us a chance to shower or sprinkle across the region. It will increase our cloud cover and as well will increase our winds out of the northwest once this cold front does pass through the region. So looking at our surface analysis, we do have this cold front off the west moving through for this morning. Looks like it should cross the area around 10 to 11 o'clock this morning, and that's going to usher in some Arctic air behind that and giving us a cold afternoon across the region. So taking a look at our current observation, a few clouds at 7,000 feet. Winds are currently out of the southwest, sustained at 13. Latest gust was at 24 knots. We have had gusts over 25 knots fairly frequently recently. We're also seeing a temperature around 47 degrees and relative humidity around 50%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see here we do have that deck of clouds around 7 to 10,000 feet starting to move through the region. That's going to give us mostly clouded overcast skies here in the next few hours, as well as that chance of some sprinkles or a light shower moving through. Taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see here this is at 8 a.m., 9, and then 10 p.m. and a.m. and then by 11 a.m. that activity or the shower activity has moved off the coast and should just see some clearing skies thereafter, windy and chilly conditions to cold conditions for this afternoon. So looking at our risk chart for today, we do have that wind advisory in effect currently. That should remain in effect through at least midnight or at least late evening with possibly wind gusts out of the northwest as high as 40 to 41 knots. Later this morning, the early afternoon hours, once that cold front does move towards and through the region, we'll see that morning high of 48 degrees, temperatures falling into the mid-40s by noon and then into the upper to mid-30s by late afternoon. The evening hours, overnight we'll see a low around 28 degrees. Those winds will stay up northwest 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 21 knots tomorrow morning, so we'll see those wind chills in the upper teens to lower 20s tomorrow morning, so a cold day across the region. Our terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions unless we do have that rain shower overhead, and could be seeing that rain shower anywhere from about now through 11 local this morning. And then thereafter, just going to see mostly sunny skies in general. Those clouds will rapidly move out of the region, and we'll have, in general, anywhere from mostly clear to partly cloudy skies overnight with just a little bit of clouds around 3,000 feet tomorrow morning. Our tides are half foot below normal currently, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday partly to mostly cloudy, cold and breezy, high of 39 degrees. Friday night, mostly clear and cold, a low of 23. And for Saturday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, high of 42 degrees. We'll have that orange for our winds on Friday. Looks like Friday morning should see those winds over 25 knots. Should start to see those winds go below 25 knots by Friday afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.